I'm Julijonas Urbonas, the founder of Lithuanian Space Agency that is currently developing a special space program that aims to make a planet made of human bodies. We are proposing to send humans, your bodies, into one specific location in outer space where there is no gravity, it's super cold, it's vacuum. The bodies would float until something very beautiful would happen. Because there is no gravity, no planetary gravity, but the gravities of the bodies. If you remember physics, any object that has a mass has a gravitational radiation or gravitational attraction. So those floating bodies, the population of bodies, would start to attract each other. And eventually they would make some kind of extraterrestrial composition. But if you have a substantial amount of biomass, that blob of human biomass would eventually round itself and would become a planet made of humans. We have an issue here. We don't have such a technology to make such a project a real one, but we have humans as a technology, and now, as Lithuanian Space Agency, we are prototyping with humans of different shapes and sizes and weight. We have big and small humans, and we are working on a human-based simulator of a planet of humans. Those big bodies we have are used as make-believe cosmic circumstances, whereas smaller bodies are used as human bricks that would be used for extraterrestrial architectural composition. So our prototyping works in the way as a kind of human terraforming sketchpad. Little bodies, they have to choose a poster they would like to be monumentalized for eternity, and they float according to the big humans who have to imagine what it would be like to be cosmic circumstances. And depending on a poster, different kind of compositions, extraterrestrial compositions form. And this particular prototyping and the project itself could be considered as a cosmic fossil for humans or of humans. That would actually work or would be archived for eternity. But also it could be considered as a monument for humans of humans.